Your body is running thousands of processes right now, and your brain has absolutely no idea. From healing itself while you sleep, to making decisions before you're even conscious of them, your body is basically operating as its own separate machine. Here are 10 things your body does completely without you, even when you think you're staring perfectly still. Your eyes are vibrating in tiny, rapid movements called microsaccades. Without them, your vision would actually fade to gray within seconds. Your brain needs constant movement to keep the image refreshed. You can't feel it, you can't stop it. It's just happening right now. In a famous study, scientists monitored brain activity while people made simple choices. They found brain signals predicting the decision up to 10 seconds before the person felt they had decided anything. That means the idea of free will, at least in small decisions, may be your brain playing catch-up with itself. Your digestive system contains over 500 million nerve cells, so many that scientists call it your second brain. It operates almost entirely independently, controlling digestion, releasing hormones, and even influencing your mood without waiting for instructions from your actual brain. That gut feeling you get, it's more literal than you think. When you exercise hard, get injured, or even fall in love, your brain releases endorphins, chemicals almost identical in structure to morphine. They block pain signals and trigger feelings of euphoria. You're essentially running your own internal pharmacy, and it kicks in automatically whether you like it or not. Your body feels permanent, but it's actually living tissue in a constant state of renewal. Specialist cells called osteoclasts break down old bone while osteoblasts build new bone in its place. By the time you're an adult, most of your skeleton has been completely replaced multiple times over. You are literally not the same person you were a decade ago. The liver is the only internal organ capable of complete regeneration. Remove up to 75% of it, and it will grow back to its full size within weeks. This is why liver donation between living people is possible. No other organ in your body comes close to this level of self-repair. Scientists are still trying to fully understand how it does it. Your core body temperature rises and falls on a strict 24-hour schedule, dropping to its lowest point around 4 a.m. and peaking in the late afternoon. This isn't random. It's your circadian rhythm actively managing your biology. It affects everything from how alert you feel to how well your immune system functions at any given hour. The skin you can see right now will be completely gone in less than a month. Your skin sheds around 30,000 to 40,000 dead cells every hour, replacing the outer layer constantly. A large portion of household dust is actually made up of dead human skin. Your body is quietly molting all day, every day, without you noticing a thing. Your heart doesn't need your brain to beat. It generates its own electrical impulses through a cluster of cells called the sinoatrial node, your natural pacemaker. This is why a donor heart can continue beating outside the body when kept in the right conditions. Your brain can influence heart rate, but it doesn't start the beat. Your heart does that entirely on its own. Your body produces cells with cancerous mutations constantly, but your immune system, specifically cells called natural killer cells, hunts them down and destroys them before they can develop. Cancer only takes hold when this system is overwhelmed or the mutations find a way to hide. Right now, without any effort from you, your body is most likely fighting off cancer and winning. Your body is doing all of this, right now as you watch this, without a single conscious instruction from you. It's arguably the most sophisticated machine ever created, and most of us spend zero time even thinking about it. If you found this fascinating, subscribe, because we've got 9 more videos just like this coming. See you in the next one.